Children, welcome back to session number 4. And we are doing chapter 4, linear equation in two variables. What you have learned? How to represent a linear equation in two variables in standard form. Then what you learn? How to find or what is solution of an equation and how to find the solution of. Yes. You have learned if the equation is linear in one variable, it has unique solution. And if it is a linear equation in two variables, it has correct. Okay. After solving those textual illustration, we move on to the next exercise. That is after the illustrations, this exercise 4.2 follows. So let's solve exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2 number 1. Which one of the following options is true and why? यहाँ तीन options है and the question is y is equal to 3x plus 5 has a unique solution, only two solutions, infinitely many solutions. What is the answer? I'm getting two answers, unique solution and infinite solution. What is correct? Acha, let's decide. Here is one equation given. Is it linear equation in one variable or two variables? Obviously, there are two variables x and y. Though it is not in its standard form, it is a linear equation in two variables. So how many solutions it has? Now everyone is giving you the common answer. So you have to think nicely. So it has all right. And the question is why? Why it has infinite solution? Because it is linear equation in two variables. All right. So यहाँ लिखेंगे answer y equal to 3x plus 5 has infinitely many solutions because it is a linear equation in two variables. That is the reason. Got it? Check. Moving on to the next one. We have already solved that type of question. Write 4 solutions for each of the following or 3 equations actually. 1, 2 and 3. But I am going to solve only the second one. Can you see here? Yes. And it is 5x plus y is equal to 9. Have you come across this letter? Pi, आपको पता है pi कहाँ आता है normally? To find the formula of, to find the area circumference of circle. pi use होता है. The circumference is 2 pi r and the area is pi r. You know its value? What is its value? 22 upon. Yes. Pi is constant and it is 22 upon 7. Chaliye. I'm going to solve only the second one. First and third, you will be solving from home. They are very easy. Okay? Now see, please. Here is the equation. किसी एक वेरिएबल को सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द फॉर्मूला बना दो. किसको बनाना चाहिए? y. नहीं y का. किसी ने x बोला. x भी बना सकते हैं, but then it will become tough for you. So y जिसका कोएफिशिएंट 1 है, जिसका कोएफिशिएंट 1 होता है, उसको सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द फॉर्मूला बनाने में मजा कुछ और ही है. थोड़ा आसान रहेगा सिंप्लीफिकेशन. So we are going to make y subject of the formula equation. Alright? So y को सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द फॉर्मूला बनाएंगे. Therefore, बोलो y is equal to 9 minus 5x. ये उधर चला गया. y is equal to 9 minus 5x. All right, and I'm going to call this equation 1, and this is given. अब पाई की वैल्यू आप पाई में ही रखो, कोई बात नहीं. और if you want, you can take 22/7. लेकिन आपका काम बढ़ जाएगा, आपका काम हाँ. तो ये x की वैल्यू क्या चूज करेंगे? 0 प्लस या -1 प्लस या -2 प्लस और -3 and so on. How many solutions we are supposed to find? तो 4 वैल्यू लेंगे, 0 लेंगे, +1 लेंगे, -1 लेंगे और +2 लेंगे. या सारे प्लस लेना चाहते हो तो प्लस ले, कुछ भी कोई भी फ्रॉम इनफाइनाइट. टेकिंग, बोलो क्या? x is equal to 0. Equation 1 बोलिए. y is equal to 9 minus 5 into 0. So that is 9 minus 0. The pi to 0 is 0. So that is 9. So y is equal to 9. आप बॉक्स देख सकते हैं. You got the first solution. Second solution. Taking x is equal to equation 1 gives. बोलिए. y is equal to 9 minus pi into 1. That is 9 minus pi ones are pi. मैं pi छोड़ूंगा भाई, उसी फॉर्म में लिखूंगा. That's it. I don't want 22/7. So you got x and y values, corresponding values, which is solution of this equation. Is that clear? चलिए थर्ड ढूंढे. Taking x is equal to equation 1. यहाँ x equal to -1 लिया गया है. चलिए equation 1 यहाँ है. y is equal to 9 minus pi into, be careful, 1 into pi will be pi, but minus minus becomes, get it? So that is 9 plus pi. So that is the value of y. 9 plus pi. All right? Okay. Beta, those two girls, just go and sit at the back. पीछे, क्योंकि while I'm writing here you can't see. So थोड़ा पीछे चले जाओ तो आपको दिखाई देगा. Take your books and go quickly. Sure. Now see, I got 3. I need one more. Should I go for it? क्या आप कर लेंगे? आप कर लेंगे ना? So I'm putting dot dot dot. फिर मैं आंसर लिख रहा हूं. क्या? x और यहां होगी पहली वैल्यू, दूसरी वैल्यू, तीसरी वैल्यू और चौथी वैल्यू. राइट? चलिए फर्स्ट में हमने क्या लिया था? x 0 और y 9. ये तो बड़ा आसान अच्छा रिजल्ट मिला था. 1 और 9 -1 और 9 plus, sorry, here it should be -1 and 9 plus, और मैं 2 लूंगा तो यहां 9 minus 2 pi आएगा. 9 minus 2 pi. So here is the screenshot. So we'll see the next one now. Question number 1, question number 2 of exercise 4.2. We proceed further. Now it's question number 3. Let's see, and even the fourth one. First concentrate on the third one. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation. Here is one equation and which are not. Okay. So equation क्या? Okay, the first one is 0, 2. मतलब x 0 है और y 2. Does it satisfy the equation? वो चेक करना है. तो हमारा इक्वेशन क्या है? x minus 2y is equal to 4. Let's take left hand side. यहाँ इक्वल टू है कि नहीं? yes. उसका लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ले लो. क्या है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड? x क्या है? माइनस 2 इंटू वाई क्या है? 2. So that is 0 minus 4 and that is minus 4. Is that equal to right hand side? No. That is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, इसको ऐसे ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे. किसको? 0, 2 is not a solution of given equation. समझ में आई बात? चलिए नेक्स्ट वन चेक कर लेते हैं. इक्वेशन लिख देता हूं मैं. x minus 2y is equal to 4. चलिए लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज व्हाट? x minus 2y. x क्या लेना है? √2 minus 2 into 4 √2. So that is √2 minus 4 2s are 8 √2 है ना. 4 2s are 8 √2. These are like terms, different signs. Subtract करो 7 √2 और बड़ा माइनस, which is not equal to right hand side. 4 वो तो right hand 4 होना चाहिए ना. So not equal to right hand side. Therefore बोलिए ये भी √2 4 √2 is not a solution of x minus 2y is equal to 4. Equation ही लिख दिया मैंने. Is that clear, children? Yes. Understood? Yes. So I have done only the first one and fourth one. So second, third, and fifth you have to do. Okay? If this left hand side value comes equal to 4, जो 4 आया, तो that is equal to right hand side, and hence the values of x and y are solutions. Okay? Fourth one. Find the value of k if x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of this equation. By solution of equation दिया है. Which is the equation here? 2x plus 3y is equal to k, not x. 2x plus 3y is equal to k. ये equation का solution क्या है? x के तो ढूंढना है. x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. It is the solution. So it satisfies the equation. चलिए put the value. Therefore 2 times x plus 3 times y is equal to k. But now you know x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3 is equal to k. Therefore 4 plus 3 7 is equal to i.e. k is equal to 7. That is the value of k. The value of k is 7. Is that clear, children? Yes. So that's all that we have for this session. So see you in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.